basic image-based alpha. So we're going to assume that our object is unwrapped and it has a material assigned. So we can go into material properties and we want to make sure, that's the preview, we want to make sure as we scroll down, note the reorganization, because we're in Blender 4, we want to be in settings. So click to expand and set blend mode appropriately. So alpha clip, alpha hashed, alpha blend. So that's step 1. Step 2, shading workspace. And we've got our standard principle to be SDF and material output. So to this we want to add texture, image texture. Drop that into place. So click on open, load in our image with alpha channel, select open, link color to base color. So that will give us our image, and then we want to link alpha to alpha, and that gives us our alpha image based. So that's an alpha channel that's included with our image. That's our image based alpha. So of course we have to make sure, double check that we have the blend mode set. If this is not set, the image will appear opaque, like so. So that's basic image-based alpha transparency.